Hello, this is Learn English with Frankelito, A1 podcast. My name is Franco and I'm happy you're here. This podcast is for beginners. If you are starting to learn English, this is for you. In this podcast, you'll learn the most common words and expressions used in everyday situations like weather, greetings, shoppings, and etc. Words are explained slowly and clearly with examples. We speak slow, we use easy words, we help you understand and speak English. The goal of this podcast is to help you listen better and hearing good English, learn new words and remember words, understand simple grammar better, use English in real life, start to speak English every day and speak with confidence. Listen to simple English regularly helps your brain get used to the rhythm and sounds of the language. You will understand native speakers more easily with time. Each episode is short, 5 to 10 minutes, perfect for learning a little every day. You can listen while walking, while cooking, or relaxing. You listen to easy stories, daily conversations, or short lessons. You can listen many times. You can repeat after me. You can pause and speak too. Some episodes have short quizzes or activities to check your understanding. It's a fun way to test yourself and remember new words. English has sounds, words, grammar, and rhythm. The more you listen, the more your brain learns. You do not need to be perfect or know a lot of English. Just listen, try, repeat. We avoid hard words and we explain everything step by step. Listen to this podcast every day. Repeat what you hear. Speak English with friends or by yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Keep going one step at a time. Remember, you can learn English, you can speak English, and we are here to help you. Now let's begin our lesson.